let me down. Let me down.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be a bit different as I'll be doing a voiceover for the first time. And do let me know in the comment section if I should do more of these videos. So as you all know, my latest video was about a bot called Discortics. Its prefix is semicolon. Let's run help to get its commands. Now we will react using this icon. And here are the commands for setting up an application. In my opinion, Discortics is the best bot for setting up an application. There was a bot that they turned into premium which we use for making applications. But in Discortics, everything is literally free. So you can use this feature for making staff applications for your server or questionnaire for events as well. So to set up the applications, we have to use this command, semicolon application. This will state all the commands that we require to set up an application. For now, we have to set up the staff to use application commands. But don't worry, this will be removed in the upcoming update. Now after setting up this, we have to create a channel. This channel will be used to auto post all the applications that will be submitted. To set up that channel, we have to use this command, app auto post, enable, and the channel name. Now the channels have been set. Now let us set up the application. So now we are on the final part of the video. We have to use this command with a hyphen. Now we can start adding our questions after clicking this. Make sure to read these. Now I will not be making a professional application as I am just showing this as an example. So, hello, how are you? Test. And after writing all the questions, you can just use this command. We have already enabled this, so we will not need to use this review button. Now let's test our applications. As we saw in the start, we did these commands. Now let's use the command app status and open the application. The application is open, let's apply. Let's check our DMs. So make sure to read these before applying for any server. Hello. Test. Okay, now our application has been submitted and let's check. As we can see, it has been posted here and looks awesome. Now I really like this feature as we can accept the applications or deny the applications using the IDs. So the application ID is mentioned here. We can just copy this. And after copying, we can run this command, accept or deny. Now let's deny myself. Now my application has been denied. So that's pretty much it for the video. It is really easy to set up applications and it is fun as well with Discortics. Before ending this video, I would like to tell you all that there is a massive update coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so make sure to stay tuned. There will be features that have been never seen before, so don't forget to use the bot and join the support server. Link will be in the description. Peace out.